it's Katie, and today we're going to be doing a realistic What's My Backpack for junior year of college dash backpack clean out and organization, because let's be honest, I haven't cleaned out my backpack in a hot sec, so we'll see what we find in there. I had an old backpack from Adidas and it ended up ripping. I also didn't like that as much. When you would put like a few items in it, it would sag and just make it look really big and uncomfortable, so got rid of that one, of course. And then I got this new backpack. My dad got it for free. The brand is Under Armour, which is really nice. It's really nicely padded. I really like how it fits on my back perfectly, and it's been really good to me so far. So, first off, this backpack has 3 different compartments. It has a little compartment, a medium compartment, of course, the main one. And then it has 2 cup holders. Oh, because cup holders are very, very important to me. You should drink water in school all the time. So we're going to start out with the front pocket. And it's not very big. It's like, it looks like that. So it's not big at all. Basically I have my emergency kit in here, which basically has everything that I need in case of an emergency. So first off, I have chapstick because I definitely need chapstick. Not that it would be an emergency, but I need chapstick. Tic Tacs, because you don't want your breath smelling bad. Most people keep gum in their backpacks, but I can't chew gum for a reason that's weird. So I just keep Tic Tacs in my bag. I also have hand sanitizer that is very low, so I should probably change that out soon. I need to remind myself to do that. And then of course I have tons of pads and tampons because I'm a girl and you never know when you're going to need them. Okay, so we're going to put all of that back. I'm going to just keep everything in there. And then I think there was something, have a little Zeta Think Pink thing that I got when I was sitting down on a couch. Some girl handed it to me, so I'll just take that on my backpack. But it's cute. It's a little pin. Now we're going to move on to the middle compartment, and this is kind of big. It has 2 different things, like pockets, and then it has this huge open space at the bottom. So first off, in this I have my Advil. I should probably put this in my emergency kit, so I'm going to move that. I have some post-it notes, and some note cards just in here, just in case I need them, even though I never use them. I have Farmer School of Business 10-year anniversary sticker. That was like a couple weeks ago, so cute. Leave that out of my backpack. Then I have a bunch of pens and pencils just kind of floating around. Oh, and here's a Band-Aid. Goes in my emergency kit too. Just a bunch of random pens and pencils. I guess I'll keep those in there. Oh, there's more. Oh, and look, another little ribbon. I have a card from FIT Consulting, so if anyone's interested, have a card. That was from a thing we did. Oh, and then I also have some little Monster Hershey Kisses. My teacher brought them in for us for doing a project in class, and I just guess I have some. Don't worry, they're not old, they're like recent, but I'll leave those in the candy bowl out there. So that's pretty much cleaned out. I usually like to put my ID and stuff in here, so I have it in here right now, but I like to put my ID right there, just so it's, you know, locked away and safe, I guess, but now you guys know where I keep my ID, so I'm gonna have to move that. Down below I have my glasses case, not necessarily the safest place to put them, but let's just say I look so much smarter in glasses. Okay, moving on from that. I also have a phone charger and then headphones with the dongle thing. This is a tangled mess. I'm so sorry you're watching this. It has a little dongle so I can use it for my laptop or my phone, which is super nice. I'm just gonna put this back. Then I have, of course, a charger just in case my phone dies. So that pocket we're just gonna kind of keep like that. I got rid of some stuff, I guess. Next is the final compartment, and that is the biggest place. This is where I keep my laptop, my pencil case, and then any folders, notebooks, anything that I need. So first off, here's my lovely sketchbook from my marketing class, which I don't really use. It's not really sketching either, it's more like idea writing, and like we do Think About It Thursdays, which is basically like, oh, there's my sketch of my friend in my class. it's just like, what did we do in class last time? So I just have that in there. And of course I change out all these notebooks and folders depending on which classes I have each day. But this is for what I have from Thursday classes. So I have my folder. I only use one folder this year because I don't know why, but I'm really lazy. So I just have everything in one place so I don't have to switch out folders. So that's what that looks like. And then I have another notebook from my management class. And of course I have my pencil case. So here's my 5-star pencil case. I've had this since senior year of high school, so it's been a while. I just have extra lead, tons of pencils, pens, pretty highlighters, different colored stuff. I just love writing in color. So I have all of these beautiful items in here. And honestly, that's all I have in my backpack. I keep my water bottle, of course, with me in my backpack. And then, of course, my laptop, like I said. I don't really put anything else. Oh, and as you can see, there's like a little laptop sleeve here. But I don't use it. I just keep my laptop in a sleeve of its own, if that makes any sense at all. Like I have my own laptop case. So I don't really need the sleeve, so I just kind of throw it in here gently, of course. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this What's My Backpack video. It was very realistic because I had no idea what was in my backpack, and as you can tell, there's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna reorganize and put in different places. I'm gonna put most of the stuff in my emergency kit area, and then a lot of the candy, all of the candy, in our candy bowl, and then some stuff I'm just gonna throw out. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!